To wipe cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, you have to connect this smartphone into PC by using a cable, or for example, into other smartphone if you have one. Without this, you will be not able to open the recovery mode. So right now, when you are connected, you will have to just turn off your phone. There we go. And right now, when the screen goes black, we have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button at the same time. And we have to release those buttons when the Samsung logo appears on the screen. So just be patient and wait for it. You should feel vibration. There we go. Now we have to release both buttons. Make sure that you are gonna release them quickly. And now, as you can see, when you are here, we have to scroll down with the volume buttons. So go to the wipe cache partition, click on the power button to confirm, scroll to the yes, click yes, and now, as you can see, that's finished. That's how you can actually do that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.